AI chatbots are everywhere. But did you know you can build your own, even if you're a complete beginner? I'm going to show you exactly how. A chatbot is an AI tool that can simulate conversation. They power customer service, personal assistance, and more. And thanks to free tools, anyone can build one today. You don't need to be a programmer or have any special skills. In this video, I'll break down the basics and show you how to get started step by step. Behind many AI chatbots is something called a large language model, or LLM for short. It's a type of AI trained on vast amounts of text, enabling it to predict the next word in a sentence, generate human-like responses, and even hold full conversations. ChatGPT, for example, is powered by one of the world's largest language models. That's why it can answer questions, write stories, and even help you with homework. These models are constantly learning and improving, making chatbots smarter every day. To get started, you need a few simple tools. First, an AI engine, like the ChatGPT API. This is what powers your chatbot's intelligence. Second, a chatbot builder, such as Dialogflow or BotPress. These platforms let you design your chatbot's conversation flow. And if you want to avoid coding, you can use no-code platforms like Flowise to make things even easier. Ready to build your own chatbot? Let's walk through the process together, step by step. I'll break down each stage, share practical tips, and make sure you feel confident, even if you're brand new to this. Step 1. Choose your chatbot platform. If you want full control and advanced features, sign up for the ChatGPT API. This requires creating an OpenAI account, entering payment details, and getting an API key. If you prefer a simpler no-code approach, try builders like Dialogflow or BotPress. These let you design conversations visually, no programming needed. Think about your comfort level and goals before picking. During sign-up, follow the prompts, verify your email, and save your credentials somewhere safe. If you're using the ChatGPT API, you'll need to generate an API key. This is like a password for your chatbot to access AI. For no-code builders, just create an account and log in. Take a moment to explore the dashboard and settings. Don't worry if it looks overwhelming. Most platforms have tutorials and help sections to guide you. Step 2. Define your chatbot's purpose. Is it for customer support, answering FAQs, helping students, or just for fun? Write down your main goal. For example, help customers track orders or answer common questions about my business. Brainstorm a few use cases and imagine who will use your chatbot. The clearer your purpose, the easier the next steps will be. Jot down a few example questions your users might ask, like, what are your business hours? Or, how do I reset my password? Then write the ideal responses you want your chatbot to give. This will help you map out the conversation and keep things focused on your users' needs. Step 3. Create intents and responses. In your builder, an intent is a topic or type of question your chatbot can recognize, like order status or greetings. For each intent, add several example user messages such as, where's my order or hi there. Then write clear, friendly responses for your bot to use. Best practice. Keep responses short, conversational, and helpful. Test with real questions to make sure your intents cover what users might actually say. For each intent, try to think of different ways users might phrase the same question. Add these as examples. The more variety you include, the smarter your chatbot will be. Review your responses. Are they clear, friendly, and accurate? Adjust as needed for the best user experience. Step 4. Test your chatbot in real time. Most builders have a test window where you can chat with your bot just like a real user. Try out different questions, see how your chatbot responds, and look for any mistakes or confusing answers. If something doesn't work, go back and tweak your intents or responses. Testing and improving is the key to a great chatbot. Ask friends or colleagues to try your chatbot and give honest feedback. Watch for common questions it misses or awkward replies. Use this feedback to refine your intents and responses. Remember, the best chatbots are built through iteration. Step 5. Publish your chatbot. Most platforms let you deploy your bot to a website, WhatsApp, Slack, or other channels. Follow the platform's instructions to connect your chatbot and make it live. Double-check your settings, test the live version, and make sure everything works smoothly before sharing it with users. After publishing, monitor your chatbot's performance. Check analytics to see how users interact, and keep updating your bot to fix issues or add new features. Remember, launching is just the beginning. Your chatbot will get better the more you learn and improve. Congratulations! You've just built and launched your first AI chatbot. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating helpful, engaging bots. No coding required. Keep experimenting and have fun building. Chatbots are already in use everywhere, answering customer questions, helping you shop online, even acting as companions or mental wellness coaches. The possibilities are endless. For example, banks and airlines use chatbots to help customers check balances, book flights, or get support 24/7. Personal AI assistants like Replica can chat with you, offer advice, or just keep you company. E-commerce bots help shoppers find products, answer questions, and even recommend items based on your preferences. Want your chatbot to sound smarter? Feed it real conversations, use GPT prompts, or even connect it to databases. You can upload frequently asked questions, past chat logs, or connect your bot to a knowledge base so it can answer more complex queries. Experiment with different prompts and responses to make your chatbot more engaging and helpful. Your chatbot can live anywhere, on your website, in customer support, or even in your daily life. Some people use chatbots in games as personal assistants or to automate daily tasks. AI chatbots can be powerful tools, but they also raise ethical questions. Are they giving accurate information? Could they be biased or manipulated? Should users always know they're talking to AI? As chatbot creators, we must use this technology responsibly. Start simple, focus on one use case, and as you grow, your chatbot will grow too. If you want to learn how to add voice, personality, or advanced AI features, check out my next video. Now that you've mastered the basics, let's take your chatbot to the next level. Advanced features can transform a simple bot into a truly memorable experience. First, let's talk about personality. Give your chatbot a unique voice by defining its tone, style, and even a backstory. For example, a travel bot could use playful language and share quirky facts about destinations, while a finance bot might be more formal and reassuring. Remember, consistency is key. Write sample conversations to keep your chatbot's personality on track. Next, enable voice interaction. Many platforms support text-to-speech and speech recognition. Tools like Google Dialogflow or Microsoft Azure Bot Service make it surprisingly simple. Imagine your users asking questions out loud and getting instant spoken replies. Test different voices and accents to match your brand. Sometimes a friendly British accent can make all the difference. Finally, experiment with advanced AI features. Integrate sentiment analysis to tailor responses based on the user's mood, or connect your bot to external APIs for real-time information. For example, a restaurant chatbot could fetch today's menu or current wait times. Don't be afraid to get creative. Try out new features, gather feedback, and let your chatbot evolve. The only limit is your imagination, so go ahead. Experiment, iterate, and watch your chatbot become something truly extraordinary. Smash that like button if this helped you. And don't forget to subscribe for more career content like this. Not all chatbots are created equal. Let's quickly compare rule-based and AI chatbots. Rule-based chatbots follow preset rules and only answer questions they're programmed for, usually with buttons or menus. They can't handle open-ended questions and require users to follow a specific path. AI chatbots, on the other hand, learn from data and can generate unique answers to open questions, making conversations more natural and flexible. The main difference? AI chatbots can interpret and answer open questions, while rule-based bots are limited to button-based replies. To automate and enhance your customer interactions, use an AI chatbot builder instead of building every step manually. Chatbots are transforming business communication, driving efficiency, building brands, and connecting companies with customers in ways we never imagined. But what's next? Let's dive into 6 trends that are redefining the future of chatbots for business success. Trend 1. Hyper-personalization. Today's chatbots analyze customer data to deliver tailored recommendations, remember preferences, and greet users by name. just like a top-tier sales associate. Imagine a retail chatbot that remembers your last purchase and suggests new products you'll love, making every interaction feel unique. Trend 2. Human-like conversations. Thanks to advances in natural language processing, chatbots now understand context, emotion, and nuance, making interactions feel natural and empathetic. For example, an AI support agent can detect frustration in a customer's tone and respond with empathy and helpful solutions. Trend 3. Chatbots as digital companions. Beyond customer service, chatbots now motivate, remind, and support users, becoming trusted partners in fitness, wellness, and daily life. Picture a fitness app chatbot that tracks your progress, offers encouragement, and provides personalized tips, all through natural conversation. Trend 4. IoT integration. Chatbots are connecting with smart devices, letting users control everything from lighting to thermostats with a simple message. Imagine a hotel guest adjusting room settings or requesting services right from their phone, seamlessly linking the digital and physical worlds. Trend 5. The rise of voice bots. With smart speakers and virtual assistants everywhere, voice-powered chatbots are making services more accessible and convenient than ever. Businesses now use voice bots for hands-free ordering, appointment scheduling, and technical support, delivering instant help anytime. Trend 6. Social media integration. Chatbots are now embedded across platforms like Facebook, Messenger, and Instagram, meeting customers where they already spend their time. From answering questions in DMs to processing orders, chatbots are helping brands deliver instant, interactive experiences 24/7. Of course, these advances bring new challenges, like language ambiguity, algorithmic bias, complex integrations, and ethical concerns. As chatbots become more human-like, AI detection tools are essential for transparency and building trust with users. The future of chatbots is evolving at lightning speed. By embracing these trends and tackling challenges head-on, businesses can unlock new levels of engagement, efficiency, and success. The time to adapt is now. Are you ready to lead the way?